Good afternoon. So it is currently July 31st. I was trying to think of what day it was. I already forgot. I know I look so bad. I got off of work like maybe a couple hours ago. I don't remember. And I went to my house. Well, my mom's house and my mom and dad's house now. Obviously because it's not my house anymore. I don't live there anymore. I'm still in the habit of calling it my house though. So I was there for a while because Cole and I actually just planned another Disney vacation. And before you come at me, we just went for our honeymoon. And before you come at me for that as well, we took every precaution. Literally no one gets close to you, and if they do, you can politely tell them, hey, if you could please step back a little bit, and everybody is willing to do so you don't have to worry about that. They have sanitizer literally all over the parks. Face masks are to be worn unless you are eating or drinking, and it is awesome. Wait times are so slow. Everything is just so different there, but it's also still so nice to go and just like relax. Well, I guess not relax. Disney is not very relaxing, but it is so much fun. So we were actually there for a week. I did not film anything there because, like I said, it was our honeymoon. I think we just kind of wanted to just like not have to worry about vlogging or anything like that. So we just kind of had like a really good time. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to start vlogging more. I would love to. I'm going to vlog a lot more because I think vlogs are so much fun to watch and I love watching them, but I'm so bad at filming them, especially since like we don't have our own house. We live with his family, like his parents, because we're saving up for a house rather than like paying for an apartment and trying to save. Like that's really hard. So what we're doing is we're living here, so it's kind of hard to film, especially downstairs, since his family is not very media people. So it's kind of weird, so I don't do that. But I'm going to try a little bit better and see how that goes. So while we were in Disney, one of my nails broke literally right away, of course. And then I'm picking off the rest. But my ring finally got sized to my hand, which is super exciting. I'm very happy about that. So now we're just waiting on my custom band. This is a band from Amazon, if you don't know. Because we got married during the pandemic, nothing was open, so we both had Amazon rings except for my engagement ring, which he had bought in before the pandemic. So that's been super fun. I'm probably gonna take a shower. I have to wash my hair. It's kind of greasy, which is kind of disgusting. And then I think I'm just gonna like relax. Cole doesn't get off for another 2 hours, but he won't be home till like 3 hours because he works an hour away. So I'm probably going to edit a video because I haven't posted in like a week, and then I'm probably gonna play some Animal Crossing. I've been playing Animal Crossing a whole lot lately because I'm obsessed with it now, and they just added updates, so I'm probably gonna play that. Sorry about the lawnmower, you could probably hear that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go shower and then I guess I will get back with you guys after that. But nothing really exciting is happening today. Like I said, we just worked, and then now I'm home after booking our next Disney vacation, and I'm so excited. Okay guys, so I just got out of the shower. I think I'm gonna go downstairs and make myself a bagel, and then I'm gonna bring it up here because I have to edit, and then so I'm gonna make a bagel. I want to try this chai tea that I got. I forget like what the brand is, but I'm thinking about trying that today because I haven't tried it yet, but I'm not sure. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna go do that. I might film it, I don't know. I think people are home, so awkward. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm filming on my phone because I left my camera upstairs. But this is the tea that I'm going to try today, and I'm actually going to do it iced. I'm not going to heat it up. So it says equal parts of this, equal parts of that, and then pour it in a cup of ice. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. Okay guys, so I got my ice. I'm going to go ahead and pour this in. Oh my god, I'm scared. I don't know how much I should do. Okay, maybe like that much. I don't know. I'm not doing the best at vlogging right now because I'm scared I'm gonna mess this up because I've never done it before. Okay, here we go. So it said equal parts. So I think it did about that. I think that's about right. I'm gonna go take my straw. It kind of looks good. So forgive the way I look on my iPhone, but like I said, this is what I have right now, so. I'm gonna add some more tea. Okay guys, so I have made my, I don't know what it's called, Tezo, I don't know, drink. I showed you guys how I did it, but it was on my iPhone, so it was a little crappy, because I was trying to juggle my phone plus pouring everything in, so like I could have had like a disaster, but I didn't, thank goodness. So I did equal parts, I think it was low fat milk with the chai tea blend, I guess is what it is that it comes with, and then I just did it with ice, and it literally tastes so freaking good. I totally recommend it for you guys. I'm not a coffee person or like an iced coffee person, but I love tea, so this is a good substitute for coffee, I guess, which is tea. So I have this. I made myself a everything bagel with some butter on it, and I'm gonna go edit. I have to edit a video about a brand that I bought from. So complicated. It'll probably be up before you see this video, but a lot just happened with that brand that I bought with. I will never purchase from them again, so I have to edit that, post that for you guys, and then by then it should be around the time Cole gets off, and I'll probably video chat with him for the ride home, which we usually do every day, and then he'll be home. Hello guys, so I forgot to finish that vlog, or this vlog, not that vlog, because it's obviously in this clip. I forgot to finish it. It's the next day and it's kind of all over the place, so I'm sorry. I'm going to try to get better at vlogging. I know I'm not the best at it, but I will try my hardest. I promise you, it will get better. But I'm just gonna go ahead and end it here. Thank you so much for watching. I know this angle sucks, but I will go ahead and see you in my next video. Bye.